Hi, this is Mr. Rojas here to help you again with your white belt, this time on the alto saxophone. Make sure you guys click subscribe so that way you guys can always catch updates on the next videos that we have for our yellow belt. Before we begin, let's review over the 3 notes that are in this song. The first note that we have to review is our note G. When you have the instrument in your mouth, make sure that your teeth are on top of the mouthpiece, your lips are tucked in, and your tongue starts right on the reed as if you were going to say the word to. If you do it right, it should sound like this. When you say the word to, your tongue should be touching your top teeth right up here, right? Like this. To. Without saying the word, it should sound just like this. Be careful that you don't say the word who when you play. This time, I'm going to play with the word who. See if you can hear the difference. When I say the word who, it takes longer for the note to work. That's why you have to say to. Now here's to. See if you can tell the difference between those 2 notes. Our next note in the song is the note A. And our last note in the song is the note B. When you listen to my notes, try to make sure that your notes match mine as well too. If they don't, check your lips, check your teeth, make sure you're saying to. Also, if you're pressing any of these side keys by accident, that might also change the notes. Here's what happens if I press a side key by accident when I play the note G. See how the note's not working? That means I'm pressing these side keys, or one of these on the side right over here. Be careful that your hands are not touching these keys so it doesn't mess up your notes. Be sure to rewind this video and play along with me as well. Here is our white belt song. Song number 14 on page 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. Rest, 2, 3, 4. Rewind this video so you can play along with Mr. Rojas to see if what you are playing is the same as what I am playing. If not, go back and play this song in sections. Be sure to watch your music as you play along. And that's it for today. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope to see you next time. Happy practicing.